This video will show you how to replace a rear liftgate support on a Subaru Outback. You'll have two of these, one along each side of your rear liftgate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Prior to removing our liftgate support, we want to make sure we support the liftgate with something. For this, I'm just using a pole jack. You can use pretty much anything to your liking. Now to remove the liftgate support, the process will be the same on either side. Prior to removing it, just pay attention to the orientation. We're using a small angled pick. You can also use a flat blade screwdriver if necessary. Start prying out on your locking clip. Once you have that removed or pulled out, you should be able to remove the liftgate support from the liftgate itself. Continuing on, we have our next mounting area down along the body of the vehicle. As I mentioned, it's the same process. Once you have that off of there, just go ahead and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any new part, clean and inspect the mounting areas. Once everything's cleaned and inspected, it's time for the installation of the brand new liftgate support. We're starting down along the body of the vehicle. Line it up, press it into position. An audible click, and then we're trying to pull it out of place. It should not be easily removed from the body of the vehicle or the liftgate. Now for the upper mounting point, you're going to find that this is adjustable. You can turn it in one direction or the other to make an adjustment. Once that's aligned, just go ahead and lock it down. And of course, we're going to make sure it's secured. Now we can remove that support. Now, of course, we're going to test the functionality. You can tell the liftgate is staying up as it should, but let's go ahead and close the liftgate and reopen it, confirming it functions properly. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.